Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will talk about Peaq. It falls under the category of DePIN. DePIN basically stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Projects, and it is going to be a massive category in next bull run. And the good thing about Peaq is that the token is yet to be launched, and in this video we will see how you can get the airdrop of Peaq, and it is going to be $1 million worth of airdrop. So we will not only just cover how you can get eligible for the airdrop, but we will also see what Peaq is all about. So in case if you are here just for the airdrop, then you just have to hold 2000 crest in your non-custodial wallet and you would be eligible for the airdrop. As simple as that. But if you are here for more than just the airdrop and the other strategies to make money in it, then let's get started with it. So first, let's extend our airdrop talks so you get to know about it in a better way. Crest is currently around 43 cents and you can purchase it from Maxi exchange. It is only available there, so you can purchase it from there, and it has risen to around 109% in last 14 days, basically doubled the money in last 14 days. And if we go by the price, then you would require at least $850 to $900 in order to participate in this particular airdrop. So this will reduce the number of people participating in this particular airdrop. And also the second condition is that you put these 2000 crest tokens in the non-custodial wallet. So MetaMask and Trust Wallet is not allowed as per the information given by the Discord moderators of this particular project, but other non-custodial wallets are eligible, like the Polkadot wallets, and Polkadot.js is one of that particular wallet. So make sure that you keep the money on custodial wallet rather than keeping it on exchanges. And after that, you will be eligible for the airdrop. There are some more airdrops going on, projects related to Peaq, and Silencio is one of that particular airdrop. And in case if you want to participate in this particular challenge of Silencio, it will give you around 1 Ethereum and $1,000 worth of crest. But this particular event will get over on 11th of January. So we are late for this one, but still if you go and download the application of Silencio and start earning the noise coins, then you would be getting the noise coins airdrop also, which is yet to be announced, and it's better to get on these projects quite early to get the best out of it. And they will be dropping around 3% of their total supply to the people who are farming these noise coins on this particular application. You can use the code Sunny001. It is basically my invite code, and you would be able to get into the application using this particular code. And after that, you can just simply record the noise levels around you and you would be earning coins. As simple as that. Zero investment is required at this point in this particular project, so you can get into it quite early. And also the airdrop will depend on the league that you are in. Basically, there are so many leagues out there. Diamond League is the top league, and people in Diamond League will be getting most of that particular airdrop. So it's better that you go there and start farming the noise coins. I will provide the link for the iOS and Android devices in the description. You can just simply click on them and get on the app. And Crest is basically the sister project of Peaq. And as for the Peaq, it is a DePIN project, and which will be helping the real world assets. Like, it might turn out to be better than Uber in future if everything goes right, because it will be utilizing all the idle resources and utilizing them in a better way. When you are not using your car, you can delegate that particular car to the Peaq, and they will be able to help you get that particular car utilized when it is idle. They have some simulations on their platform. Like, I created some machines. You can add machines over here. The demo machines are there, and you can add 3 machines as of now in the demo version, like electric vehicle, charging station, drone. Suppose you want to add your electric vehicle on Peaq, just click on continue. It will ask you to provide a serial number for the vehicle, and for the demo version you can just simply go on the Peaq on and you would be able to get all the details. After filling all these details, you will be able to add your machine, and this way you would be able to earn these AG coins. I don't know if they will be released in future. Maybe it's just for the demo purpose. I think it's of no utilization as of now. This particular simulation is to just showcase that this is how the real world assets will be working in future. So Peaq is going to be massive, and not just Peaq, but almost all the projects related deepin will be huge in the coming bull run as of the trend that is going on right now. So we can just hop on to this particular project. It's still early, so we can get the most out of it. You can go to the Peaq's official website, and over here you will find the option of earn. Then open up Dwork, Zeely, and you can complete the quest of Peaq network on Zeely, and this way you would be able to make sure that your chances of getting the airdrop are quite high. What will happen in future is that all the projects that want to build real world assets using the blockchains, they have to do simulations or test their particular project or ideas. For testing their projects, they will require Crest, and for utilizing that particular tested idea on Crest and implementing it on the real world, it would require Peaq. So this is how the Crest and Peaq will work in future. So that's why they are calling it as a sister network for the Peaq. And the Crest is out there, but Peaq is yet to be released, and we can take the early advantage for it. As you can see that the price of Crest is already 100% up in last 14 days. Like the Bitcoin was down in the previous days, and the market was down, the sentiment due to the ETF news, but still the Crest project was 100% up. So you can see the potential, and the current 24-hour trading volume is just around $200K, so it will be huge in future. And this was all about this particular airdrop. I hope this video was helpful for you and it helped you with decision making. Then if you want to see more such videos, then just simply click on the subscribe button in order to subscribe us, and also make sure to hit that like button, and see you in the next video.